A first-class province in the Calabarzon region, Batangas is home to pristine beaches, diving spots, and a rich culinary culture. Soon, inter-town travel is also expected to become even more comfortable and accessible with another project, the Nasugbu-Bawan Expressway or NBEX. Expected to cut travel time within the province to almost half, NBEX will have interchanges and entrances in Nasugbu, Balayan, Lemery, Bawan, and Calaca.
Ito pong ating mga kalsada kagaya po ng Startol, malaking tulong po sa amin yan. Kasi ang iba po, yung customer po namin, taga Manila, madali po silang makapunta rito o vice versa.
Napaka-importante po ng good road network since we are a tourist destination po. So, number one is the accessibility. So, yung pag-consume ng time during travel time, napapaiksi niya yung oras ng traveling time. No? So, aside from Star Tollway po, so yung NBEX ay magiging malaki yung help. Magiging mas accessible na siya since mas malilimit natin yung travel time po ng mga tourist. Even po yung mga kababayan namin na nagtatrabaho sa ibang bayan, especially sa Manila. So, mas madali yung access nila na umuwi.
More than that also is really para sa ekonomiya. Bukod dyan is, siyempre, mapapalawak ang turismo. And with that, magkakaroon ng malalaking opportunity pa na magbukas ng mga negosyo. Maraming magagawa at maraming matutulungan ang gagawin na proyekto nito ng SNC Infrastructure, particularly NBEX.
With the upcoming Nasugbu-Bawan Expressway and existing links like the Star Tollway and CBEX, traveling to and through Batangas has never been easier.